Hi guys, so today we're at Kew Gardens. So we're at the lights tonight, Kew Garden lights. Just having a look on the park now to see what's available. So yeah, let's go and have a look at it. First of all, it says this is Kew. So you're in now one of the most biodiverse places in the world, where 17,000 species are helping us to tackle some of the humanitarian biggest challenges. As a charity, the World Botanic Gardens, Kew has been cataloging, protecting and researching plant life at this planet for 260 years. Work across 2 living landscapes, here in Richmond and at Wakehurst, West Sussex, home of the Millennium Seed Bank, as well as a research centre in Madagascar. We work with partners from across the globe to tackle biodiversity loss and climate change with natural-based solutions. 2 in 5 plants are threatened with extinction if plant and fungal life stops or life stops. Didn't know that. Keep our future thriving. Join us and become a member or donate today. This is Kew. So there you go, that's the beginning. This is Kew. Welcome to the children's garden. What do plants need to grow? What do plants need to grow? Water. There we go. Plants need water to grow. So let's carry on down. So let's go and have a look at the playgrounds and things, trying to avoid kids, as I always do. That's your playhouse. The air garden there. Oh. Also trying to avoid adults. If pollution should land in the places where it goes, pollution takes place and then a seed grows. Air moves pollen from those trees to these, scattering, and their seeds then float on the breeze. Plants need air to rustle their leaves, and we need start again. If pollen should land in the place where it goes, pollution takes place and then a seed grows. Pollination, sorry. Air moves pollen from these trees to these. They scatter their seeds that float on the breeze. Plants need air to rustle their leaves, and we need plants for the air that we breathe. Got there in the end. Okay, carrying on. So of course we've got solar. That's where you got all your wind and your wind chimes and things like that. I'm getting quite intelligent today. Hey, getting there. All what's names down there for you step on and whatever. Flowers in the garden of smelling. Looks a bit like round the fire pit. Except you haven't got the fire pit, but it's a bit round it. You know what I mean. You've got bits all going all off it. There we go. one. And then we have trampolines. They're quite good. Need sun. So what would sun give us? Sun will take us all the way around there. And allow us to go into this bit. Oh, bit uneven, guys. I nearly fell off then. Guys, we're going to be in trouble. That's sun. That's your sun. Plants need sun to make their own meals, and we need plants for our forests and fields. So they're currently having an area closed for refurbishment. Sand pit down there. Oh, it is. Wow, you seen that, guys? Wow. And that one is earth. That's where you get from like the sand and things like that. Got a nice family kitchen and shop in there. So yeah, that was the children's garden. I really enjoyed it in there, and that was educational as well, so I do recommend it. So just looking at this, what's welcome at Kew and what isn't. So you can take photographs of plants, gardens, whatever, and obviously the lights. You can roam across the grass, find the perfect spot to spread out, have a picnic, but you won't want to on that. Be kind to staff, yeah. Use bins provided, ask about memberships, don't touch, cut or damage plants, whatever. Climb trees, use rude or aggressive behaviour. Use skates or scooters. Obviously you can use the wheelchairs and mobility scooters, but they're on about the actual e-scooters and things like that. And don't bring balls, drones or kites. So no drones can be taken over Kew Gardens. So, in preparation for Christmas at Kew, our teams are busy installing lights in the gardens. While this work is taking place, there may be some past closures. Please use the mask and signage provided to guide alternative route. It mentions about bag search. We don't normally bring bags in with us, so